欢迎回来 Welcome back. Ready to make some 清蒸鱼 or steamed fish? It's a pun. In Chinese, fish and extra are both pronounced 鱼. It's tradition to leave some fish. Dicing the scallion gives you lots of little pieces that will cook evenly and add a nice texture to the dish. Plate the fish on top of the scallions and coat it with 1 spoon of salt. Julienne the ginger with the knife. To julienne something means to cut it into matchstick-sized pieces. This will add another interesting texture. Julienne cuts also work well for garnishes. Okay, bring the fish to the left wok. Place 2 scoops of water in the wok. The left wok is ready to cook with. Good. Now we are all set up to start steaming the fish. Start a fire to make the sauce. Place the plate with the fish in the wok and cover with the lid. Let it steam. Start a fire under the second wok on the right to prepare the sauce. That was the easy part. Hope you are ready for some multitasking. To make the sauce, combine 2 scoops of water and equal parts soy sauce, sesame oil, and wine. I love this dish. I can't wait. To the sauce, add all of the rock sugar. This is rock sugar, although in my time we called it sugar frost or sugar ice. Just a bit of sweetness can elevate the whole dish. Now that smells good. Bring the sauce to a boil. Something is burning. Remove the steamed fish once it's ready. Scoop 1 full lid of sauce and pour onto the steamed. There! Doesn't that look delicious? Garnish the fish with parsley. I cannot wait to try it. Place the meal on the serving table and ring the bell. Okay, let's see how you did. 年年有余. Oh, that means may you always have more than you need. Just something you say when you are eating the fish. So, 年年有余. Ah, the fish is pretty good. A wonderful sign for the new year.
Another successful New Year fish.
Welcome back. Ready to make some 清蒸鱼 or steamed. Dicing the scallion gives you lots of little pieces that will cook evenly and add a nice texture to the dish. Plate the fish on top of the scallions and coat it with 1 spoon of salt. Julienne the ginger with the knife to cover the To julienne something means to cut it into matchstick-sized pieces. This will add another interesting texture. Julienne cuts also work well for garnishes. Use wood to start a hot fire. Okay, bring the fish to the left wok. I love this dish. I can't wait. Place 2 scoops of water in the wok. Good. Now we're all set up to start steaming the fish. The left wok is to start a fire under the second. That was the easy part. Hope you are ready for some multitasking. This is rock sugar, although in my time we called it sugar frost or sugar ice. Just a bit of sweetness can elevate the whole dish. Now that smells good. Remove the steamed, scoop 1/4 lid of sauce and pour onto there. Doesn't that look delicious? Garnish the fish with parsley. I cannot. Okay, let's see how you did. 年年有余. Oh, that means may you always have more than you need. Just something you say when you are eating the fish. So, 年年有余. I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting you to be this good at cooking. That was some amazing fish.
Another successful New Year fish.
Tanghulu's pretty easy to make. It's basically just fruit with a hardened sugar shell. Let's make that first, then some tea to go with it. 6 pieces per steak for good luck. Well, I suppose any even number works, as long as it isn't 4. Don't do 4 these days. 4 is often considered to be extremely unlucky, because 4 is 4, and it sounds like death, which is 死. Now, in my time, we made tanghulu with mainly shanja or hawthorn berries. Shanja are super bitter though, so let's throw in some sweeter fruits you may be more familiar with. Giving people oranges for New Year's is such a fun tradition. The word for orange, 橘, sounds like lucky, which is 吉. So when you give someone an orange, you say good luck or 大吉大利.
Yes. Yes, Mom.
Looking good. Now let's bring those over to the left wok. Place 5 scoops of water in the wok. Use wood to start a hot fire under the wok. Excellent. That will make a hot fire. Add all the rock sugar to the water and let it boil. The left wok is ready to cook with. We want the candy to have a satisfying crunch, right? So you need to heat the sugar until it boils and reaches what we call hard crack temperature. Make sure to cover all the fruit on each square. Yes, good. Now let's make the tea. How about a nice oolong? That'll go well with the fruit. Well, I'd call it oolong today, but in my time, we called it wee tea. Dip the teapot in the water bucket to fill it. Put the teapot on the already hot brazier. Bring it to a boil.
Oh, hold on. Okay. I'll be in a minute.
Put 2 spoonfuls of oolong tea powder into the teacup.
Yes.
Pour boiling water over the tea powder to fill the cup. Add 1 spoon of salt. Whisk. Oh, make sure you whisk it really well. This style of whisked tea makes the top look like it's covered in a layer of clouds. I think it's also how they make matcha in Japan today. So far, so good. Place the meal on the serving table and ring the bell. Whoa! I hope these taste as good as they look. It's so perfect. It brings back so many memories.
Ah, another successful batch of Tanghulu. Nothing like that satisfying crunch.